This is a CAT6 Ethernet cable. You find them all over the place. They put internet into your computers. Today, this one went bad on me, and I got really curious how strong an Ethernet cable was, and could it save your life? So we're gonna find out. Okay, here she is. Securely tied to the railing. One single thread down to a loop for my foot. If I can get my foot in there. Okay, we're about to put 240 pounds on this thing. Let's see what happens. Couldn't save me. You heard it here first. Don't use network cables to go rappelling. Doesn't work very well.